Good day, ma'am, sir, and to everyone. I am Irish Crystal May Canha, just call me Teacher Rich from 2909 E. Rodriguez Street, Malibay, Pasay City, coming from BEd 12. So today, I will be showing my teaching demonstration. The subject I am going to teach is English 3, and the topic is a verb. Good day, class! How are you today? Is everyone finding happy? Yes, that's great! So now, let's check your attendance first. So just say present if your name is called. Is that clear? Okay. Oh wow, no one is absent today. Very good. So now, before we're going to start, who can give me what is exactly a noun is? Anyone? Yes? Yes, very good. A noun is a word that is used to identify places, people, or things. So now, I have here a set of image and all you have to do is to guess and observe what is in the picture. And please, don't answer me chorus, so all you have to do is you raise your hand if you know the answer. Is that clear? Okay, so what can you tell about this picture? Anyone? Yes, lovely? Yes, brilliant idea. You got it correct. The boy is walking. Anyone who can tell me? Yes, Angela? Yes, very good. The girl is dancing. And last one picture, who can tell me? Anyone? Yes? Yes, very good. They are singing. So class, what have you noticed of the picture? And with your answer, it shows an action. Anyone idea? Yes, again. It shows an action word. So class, our topic for today is all about an action word or a verb. So class, so Teacher Rish, what is exactly a verb is? So class, a verb is a single word that describes what a person or thing is in a sentence. Those or it is a word used to describe an action of a state of being. Actually, all your answers a while ago are examples of an action word or a verb. So a verb, they form the main of the predicate of a sentence. They also the drivers of written and spoken language because they animate the conversation. So I have here some examples of a verb. So here are the examples of a verb. They are clap, walk, examples, second picture, and then trump, second picture again, write, and then last is run. So there are the examples of a verb. It's because they are all in action word. Did you get it, class? Okay, now it's your turn. So now, who can give me an examples of a verb? Anyone? Yes? Yes, very good. Brilliant idea. Jumping is correct. It is an example of action word. So, who can give me again? Anyone? Very good. Jump, reading is an example of a verb. Last one, who can give me? Anyone? Yes. Wow, brilliant idea. It is an action word. Climb is an action word. So, good job, class. You really understand our lesson for today. So, give yourself a 5 claps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Before the end of our topic, kindly answers my question. So first, it is a single word that describes what a person or things in a sentence. Anyone? Okay, your answer is correct. Second, what is the verb in the sentence? Nigel is throwing a ball. Nigel is throwing a ball. Anyone who can give me? Yes, brilliant idea. Throwing is correct. Next sentence. Naphtali is crying again. Naphtali is crying again. Who can give me? Anyone? Who can give me the answer? Who can tell me? Yes? Yes, very good. Crying is the correct answer. It is an action word. And last one, Zian is cooking a food. Zian is cooking a food. Anyone who can tell me the answer? Yes, yes, brilliant idea. The answer is cooking. Cooking is correct. Good job, class. All your answers are correct. It means that all our topic today is you really understand. Thank you, class. Okay, class, thank you for participating. That is the end of our topic for today, and hope you enjoy. Bye!